Hello everyone, my name is B. Abhilash. I am from CSC AML department. Today's my topic is field management system. In this video, we describe about these topics: introduction, object of a field management system. Third one is key features. Fourth one, real-time tracking. Fifth one, maintenance management. Sixth one, oops in field management. Seventh, examples of a class system achiever. Last one is conclusion. Introduction of a fleet management system oversees and coordinates transportation achievers to optimize resources allocation, tracking performance and reduce cost. Object of a fleet management system we describe about these topics. Efficient tracking of vehicle. Vehicle efficient tracking monitor the location using and performance of vehicle in real time using GPS and telematic. The second one is monitoring driving behavior, performance, etc. Scheduling maintenance, repair tasks, etc. Plan and tracking regular maintenance and repair tasks to minimize the downtime and extend vehicles lifespan. Maintaining fuel consumption. Optimize fuel used by monitoring consumption, reducing the wastage and identify the level of fuel. Ensure regular complaints. Ensure adhere to legal requirements such as license, inspection, and safety standard. We move on next. Key features of a field management system. First one is real-time tracking. Real-time tracking, CGPA, live tracking of a vehicle location, monitoring vehicle speed, rotate, and ideal items. Second one is maintenance management, automatic schedule of rotating maintenance and repair, alerting for upcoming services inspections, and wearing expiration. Third one is fuel management, tracking fuel using and cost to identify the notification, detective fuel theft or fuel consumption. Third one is driver management, motive driver behavior including speed, hair, rash braking and identifying. In this future, we seen in Dubai, training and performance management for improved safety and efficiency. Last one, fifth one, data analysis and reporting, generating details reports on vehicle performance, fuel efficiency and cost, providing in, insights to optimize fleet operation and reduce the experience. Real-time tracking in fleet management system overview. Real-time tagging in a fleet management system using GPS and telematic to monitor the location, moving and status of the vehicle in the fleet. In this feature, provide live updates, enable fleet management to make informed discussion using GPS to monitoring vehicle location, enable the accurate location tracking of each vehicle, provide real-time updates on the vehicle movement, enable the rotator optimization, transforming data such as speed, rotating fuel levels, and engine performance, integrated while cloud-based software of the data axis, ensure timely delivers. Live location monitoring the display vehicle position on a map in a real time, tracking rotator speed and estimate the time of the arrival. Rotate optimization suggest efficient rotates to reduce the travel time and fuel consumption. Adapt rotation based on the traffic and rotated conditions. Benefits of the real-time tracking: uh, rotate planning and reducing the unnecessary fuel, minimize the delay through proactive management system, safety and complaints, ensure driver accountably by the monitoring behavior, improve response time during emergency or breakdown, reduce fuel and maintenance cost through efficient fleet using, prevent misuse or theft of vehicles. Finally, we describe about real-time tracking. It is a critical feature of the fleet management system. It's offer visible into fleet operations, enable organization to improve productive, reduce cost, and ensure safety and compliance. Maintenance management in fleet management system. Overview. Maintenance management in a fleet, man, fleet management system involves tracking and scheduling, rotating, and preventive maintenance tasks for vehicles. This feature ensures vehicles remains in optimal conditions, minimizing downtime, reducing repairing cost, and extending the fleet lifespan. Tracking vehicle health, scheduling maintenance to reduce the downtime. Features of a management maintenance. Com- Comprehensive maintenance logs maintain details record of all maintenance activities, including inform like data, cost, part, repair, and service provide. Felt health monitoring, tracking key material like fuel efficiency, engine performance, and tires wear. Identify vehicles required immediately attention. Cost tracking, monitor maintenance expenses to manage budget effectively. Compression cost across vehicles to identify cost efficient solutions. Benefits of a maintenance management ensure vehicles are served on time, avoiding unexpected breakdowns, minimizing disruptions to felt operations. Cost saving prevent expensive repairs through timely maintenance, optimize recovers until utilization by identify the inefficiency. Improve vehicle lifespan. Regulation maintenance keeps vehicle in peak condition for longer. Reduce the need for replacement. These are the benefits of maintaining management system in field management system. On next slide, my friend will take over and explain the topics.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhijith Kumar, and I am going to continue this topic fleet management system in the subject of object oriented programming, which has been started and told excellently by my friend B. Abhilash. By implementing the concept of object oriented programming in fleet management, we come to know a lot of things. The first thing is classes represent entities like vehicle and driver. That means vehicle can also be treated as a class and driver can also be treated as a class. And the second one is that inheritance can be represented for shared features. For example, vehicle types, which can be treated as a part of inheritance which is happening in fleet management system. The third one is the polymorphism for specific functionalities used in the concept of fleet management system. And the fourth one is for encapsulation, which can be used for secure data access, which means that we can use the concept of encapsulation to secure any kind of private data or protected data in fleet management system. Now let's take two of the classes, a vehicle class and fleet manager class, as examples in the concept of fleet management system from the perspective of object oriented programming. Now let's talk about vehicle class. By using a lot of getter and setter methods, we can define and we can initialize four data types here. The first one is registration, the second one is model, the third one is year, and the fourth one is mileage. Let's consider we have entered the registration number as AB123CD or any other number, random number. And if we enter the model as Toyota Corolla, and if we enter the year 2020, the year of manufacturing or the year of producing the car or the vehicle, whatever. If the mileage is only 15,000 and we want to update the mileage, we can update the mileage from 15,000 to 16,000 by displaying the code in the main method. If we define all of them, if we define all of the registration, model, year, mileage as AB123CD, Toyota Corolla 2020 and the mileage amount, we can get the executed code, the executed output as shown. Now let's talk about the Fleet Manager class. In the Fleet Manager class, the same four data types can be entered, and in the fleet management there can be different definitions or the different executions for each kind of data type. The first execution is that the registration number is AB123CD, the model is Toyota Corolla, the year is 2020, the mileage is 15,000 as we have discussed in the previous slide. But the second execution for the same data types, the same four data types, we can get or we can define the registration number as XY456EF, the model can be Honda Civic, the year can be 2018, and etc. 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 So, in the main method, if we define the cars as car 1, car 2, car 3 as the objects of the class vehicle class we have defined, we can get these three different executions as the executions of those classes or those objects we have entered in the source code. Now let's talk about system architecture. This concept of fleet management system has a unique kind of architecture within itself, which makes it even more fascinating. The first point about this system architecture we must know is that for managers and drivers, there is a thing called user interface, UI. The abbreviation is UI, which is useful for the accessibility between managers and drivers. And there is another thing named business logic layer, and it implements any kind of core functionalities related to that fleet management system and the accessibilities between the classes and subclasses if we consider in the concept of object oriented programming. And the third one is data layering. It stores a lot of detailed information or a lot of simple information on a lot of different kinds of classes like vehicles, drivers, routes, etc. So these are the three of most important points or the most crucial, vital, interesting points we came to know about the system architecture of fleet management system in the context of object-oriented programming. Now I would like to conclude this fleet management system as a very big, unique, robust solution for efficient management of a lot of kinds of vehicle fleets. And by leveraging object-oriented programming principles for scalability and modularity, we can come to know a lot of a lot of in-depth information about fleet management system in the concept of object-oriented programming.